YouTube, welcome to the channel Crab Out the Bucket. My name is Ray Woods, and on this channel I give you advice and tips from my past mistakes so you don't make the same ones that I did. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you'll be notified when I come out with more quality content. In my previous video, I showed you how to create and update your resume for maximum results. Now we're going to get into leveraging your LinkedIn profile to get into the career, reach out to the people that you need to reach out to. Now, social media is a very powerful platform and it can be very beneficial for us. So you want to use it for the right reasons and not for the wrong reasons. Let's go ahead and switch over. I'm going to show you how you can take your LinkedIn profile and put your profile over a level of 9,000.
It's over 9,000! 9,000!
So guys, we're back at the computer again. Let's go ahead and get into some different topics here. So I want you to pay close attention to this because LinkedIn, like I said, is very powerful, and I'm going to teach you how to get yourself out there, okay? So let's just start out with the front page of the profile. So if you don't have a LinkedIn profile, go ahead and you'll click sign up instead of sign in. I've already signed in. So we're gonna go to my main profile. And the first section we're gonna start out with is first you wanna go ahead and just update your picture. Get a professional picture taken, please. This picture, I have different lighting and cameras that I even use for the YouTube video that I did to take this picture right here. And I have that uploaded there. And as you can see, that's me in a suit. I had less facial hair that time. So it's probably about time for an updated picture, right? So we got the profile picture. And then you're gonna do your header and bio and information. So this section here, we're gonna click the little pencil button where you can edit. And you can add a cover photo here. It tells you the pixels or the size that you need. More than likely you wanna put like a cover photo that's related to your career, related to whatever you're interested in, or your business or whatever it may be. So you have your profile picture, your cover photo, you got your name here. In your headline, you want to put this information. So the headline is important. It's so many different opinions on what you should put in your headline. But in your headline, it's like things that help you on the back end of social media. And with LinkedIn, what your headline is, you want to put what your job title is. If you don't even work in a position yet, maybe you're still in college, put, graduating soon, in whatever it may be, accounting. So you want to put future accountant. You still have accountant there. So the system knows that when somebody else is searching for different accountants, your profile may pop up in their search. So you want to have accountant. So for me, I got program manager, admin, social media consultant, and content creator. So when people are looking for that information, they type that in, that's what they're going to find, and they're going to see my profile there. Your current position, that's going to be stuff that you add in at your position, and then you'll be able to click it in the drop down box there, as well as your education, and you can add education here, and you'll be able to use that as a drop down box. And then you just pretty much fill in the rest of the information here. Industry, locations within the area, and you're done with your bio. That's very simple as that, okay? So your next section you want to go to is your about section. Now, before we go further, to put all these different things on here, you want to go to add profile section. And here's where you can add different things. You can plus it or minus it and add different things in your profile so people can see it whenever they go to your profile. So I typically just have the bio, the about, articles and activity, experience, education, skills and endorsement, recommendations, accomplishments. That's usually what I have there. So if we go to the about section, you're pretty much going to kind of mimic what your resume says. As I stated before, we talked about creating and updating your resume. So you want to kind of put that in there and make sure you put some data and some good information in there. Now, other information I put in here is some stuff extra because there is some business stuff I do on LinkedIn. But primarily, if you're looking for a career or even if you're doing business, put that in the summary section. And then update your resume here, where you can click and add your file. And more than likely, when you do the resume, you want to make sure that it's in PDF format. You want to make sure all your resumes are in PDF format. You have a copy in Word, so you can use that to edit it when you need to and update it when you need to. Okay. So now we're going to go scroll down. As you can see here, dashboard, you see who's viewed your profile, post views, search appearances. And even here, when people search for your stuff, search appearances, I'm at 39, right? I haven't posted much on LinkedIn, but when you do start posting and be very active, this number can go up, okay? This section is optional. If you like to write, if you want to be a writer, if you're a journalist, or if you're in politics, whatever it may be, you can write articles. People can see your activity. I have a few articles here, when I was doing different things, other videos from my YouTube channel, meeting GT Dave, fear, overcoming fear, changing your friends, increasing your credit score, entrepreneurship, different things like that, financial education type of things, videos on Grant Cardone. This one got the most hits with 16 and a half. So that it's optional for your article section if you choose to do that, and then you upload the articles there. Experience, same thing. You want to pretty much copy your resume. You just want to take the experience there and you just want to add it in here and put the same information from your resume into LinkedIn. Again, that's going to help people search for your profile and find out what it is that you can do and what it is that you can provide for the company if you add that on your LinkedIn profile as well. Education, same thing. We're going to go copy the resume, put in their information, and in here you want to be pretty detailed. You can put in all the different societies you was in. You can put in what you graduated with. If you got any other media you want to upload, like accomplishments, you can upload that into there and pretty much have that stand out for your profile. Now, skills and endorsements. Skills is very important because what LinkedIn is going to do is it's going to highlight the top 3 skills people endorse you for. Okay, so you can see my top 3 here: entrepreneurship, investors, and real estate. So what you pretty much want to do is add your skills in, and you can add a plethora of skills if you want to, right? But the only ones that are going to show up on the top 3 are the ones that people vote for most. So if you're good at financial things like accounting, or if you're good at, taxes, that's going to be something that people can endorse your skill for. Somebody can vote and be like, hey, this guy is good at Microsoft Office or Microsoft Excel because I've worked with him or I work with her and she's good and he's good at this, so I'm going to endorse for their skill. And that's pretty much what you do. And even LinkedIn has a take skill quiz now where you can take the skill and, you'll get rated based off how you do on the test. If you don't like quizzes, don't take it. Just have friends and family and associates, business associates, endorse your skill for that, right? So another thing is recommendations. So recommendations, which is something that I never dug into because I didn't know about this LinkedIn stuff. I didn't know that how powerful LinkedIn was and how it can help you get into the industry that you want to. I didn't know about this information. This is why I'm giving it to you guys now. Recommendations. I had a manager that gave me a recommendation. I gave her a recommendation. You can see you got 3 that's given. You got the one that she gave me back. So you want to ask for the recommendations. Everybody nowadays everybody knows about LinkedIn. So talk to your teachers, talk to your advisors, be like, hey, can you give me a recommendation? You know me, I've been in your class, or you got an internship, you know these guys. Tell them to give you a recommendation, or ask them to give you a recommendation. Be like, can you help me out on my profile? Look at their profile, give them a recommendation also. You want to make a equal trade there. Then you have your accomplishment sections. You got Six Sigma certification there, do your accomplishments there, and then some interest down here. And that's like LinkedIn is very simple, and it's can be difficult, but you just want to kind of keep it simple. Just copy your resume onto your LinkedIn profile. That's all you're doing. Have a professional picture so people can search for you in the thing. Now, the thing I want to tell you about LinkedIn is before, LinkedIn was expensive for a premium. It was like $40 or $50 a month, but I believe that they lowered the price of everything. So LinkedIn now, you have LinkedIn Premium. And what LinkedIn Premium does, if you want to pay for it, I think it's like $30 a month now. And me personally, I would advise you, it's not necessary, but it will help boost your profile more. So it's technically like you're paying to play, which a lot of these platforms are doing this. So if you look at Premier Career, and they do give the 1 month free trial, applicant sites, who viewed your profile, on-demand learning, and monthly email. Get the double attention with Premium Career. When you upgrade to Premium, you can reach out to so many different people and put your name out there and show people what you can do and try to get your career position. So I'm in Premier, and for example, if you look here, if you just go to this Premier Career Group, and that's just one group, 1.6 million members. Somebody in here is doing something that you like, or know somebody that you want to do. Know somebody that know what you want to do and maybe can reach out to you and message you about getting into the career field that you want, or getting into the business that you want to do. So you have access to stuff like this whenever you're a Premier. You can tell somebody's profile is LinkedIn Premier. So if you see here, you got Premium here, not Premier, Premium. You can see here, if I go to my profile, it says Premium. So you can tell who's Premium and who's not Premium. Now, like I said, it's optional. You don't have to have it, but it is good, and it wouldn't hurt to scrape up, $30 a month to get your name out there more to land some positions. So that's pretty much it for this LinkedIn profile. If you do have questions, you can always reach out or comment and let me know what it is that you want to, that you may want to learn. I'm always willing to help. So, because LinkedIn can be a little advanced, but on the front end, you pretty much just copy your resume. That's pretty much it. And I hope I gave y'all some valuable information on how to leverage your LinkedIn and really get your name out there to really land your career or improve your business. If you haven't already, and if this video has given you any valuable information, smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell so you know when I come out with more quality content. And until next time, the next video, I will see you all later.